So today I've started putting insulation in the walls of the van. I've used this foam stuff, shiny on one side, shiny as hell on one side, you can see it's there. So I'm cutting it out and I'm cutting the shapes and I'm sticking it in there. I've got to glue it, but it's, that's the process. Trace around and stick it in and then glue it. So we'll see how that goes. So I've cut it all to shape. Apparently, word on the street says that it doesn't matter whether the shiny's pointing at you or the shiny's pointing away, which is good because I cut it all half-assed back to front, but it seems to fit it alright. I just got to glue it in there and put the panel back over the top and then do this side down here the same, but then I'll worry about the rest later. Yeah, so I put this on. I'm gonna glue it and then stick this back on, which is the same as that. Runs the whole length and then work on the box after that. So I've spent all day today cutting out this foil board insulation, sticking it all along here, all along this side, down the bottom. It fucking sucks ass. I tell you what, if you're thinking about buying a van and turning it into a camper yourself, don't do it. If you can afford it, buy something that's finished. This is a pain in my ass. I've got it got the van parked at a storage place because I can't keep it at home because the roof's too high, and I can't park it on the street because you can't really work on the street because too many people around. So it's out here in the heat while I'm doing all this stuff, and it takes fucking forever, and it's not fun. I'd rather be doing something else. So I've got to insulate the roof next, but I can't insulate the roof until I work out where I'm going to put a vent. I've got to remember to do that. And then here, I think I've said a few times before, it's going to be a shower and a sink. I'm going to take this out. Yeah. There's a lot of benefits to buying something that's finished, already done, I can tell you that. Got a lot to go. Floor still. Yeah, heaps to do. Alright, I'll keep cutting out this stuff.